Hello, my name is Rebecca
And I'm Sean.
and we study law at Griffith University.
And today we're going to show you a moot demonstration at the Nathan Moot Court.
Mooting is something that we do as part of the assessment here at uni. There are also lots of opportunities to do mooting in national and international competitions.
Mooting is essentially a mock trial where law students get to act as counsel in a legal case and learn thoroughly a particular area of law. Students learn a range of skills from mooting. In preparing written submissions, they learn to very clearly and concisely articulate legal argument, and then in having to present those arguments orally, they learn to think on their feet, they learn to understand the law well enough to answer a range of questions from the judges, and they also develop their confidence in oral communication.
It allowed me to perfect my oral advocacy skills and network with students and professionals all across Australia and the world. Law at Griffith offers a range of courses and extracurricular activities which teach you the skills that you will need when you begin to practice law.
A standout opportunity for me was the Griffith Legal Clinic program, which provides Griffith students with the opportunity to learn from real clients and real cases.